In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto blend two different images using Photoshop 2024. This is a fantastic technique for combining photos seamlessly, creating beautifully unified compositions with ease. First things first, let's get started by opening up Adobe Photoshop. You can do this by launching the application from your desktop or applications folder, depending on your setup. Once you have that open, the next step is to bring in the images you want to blend. To do this, you'll need to open both images within Photoshop. If your images are already on separate layers, that's perfect. If not, simply drag and drop one image onto the other one within the workspace or use the Place Embedded command found under the File menu. This will ensure both images are within the same document, neatly sitting on separate layers, making the blending process smooth and hassle-free. Now direct your attention toward the right lower part of your screen where the Layers panel resides. Here, you will find what's known as the Layers menu. Click on that and look for the blending options. For blurring two photos seamlessly, choose the Stack Images option from the Blend Method list. It's the go-to choice for creating a unified piece without any obvious lines or separations. As you proceed, make sure you check the boxes for seamless tones and colors, as well as content-aware, fill transparent areas. These options help in achieving the best possible results by automatically adjusting transitions and filling gaps. Once you've selected these, click OK to move forward. Photoshop will automatically begin blending the images based on your chosen settings. At times, you might find the initial blend is perfect. However, if you do need to refine the blend just a little bit more, you have several tools at your disposal to achieve just the look you're aiming for. Using layer masks combined with the gradient tool can be incredibly effective. The gradient creates smooth transitions between the two images, offering a more natural look. Additionally, the brush tool, when used with a soft edge, can provide fine-tuning capabilities on the layer mask, allowing you to gently blend areas to achieve visual harmony. And there you have it, a beautifully blended image with the help of Photoshop's auto blend capabilities. This method not only saves time but also opens up creative opportunities for creating unique compositions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different images and settings to discover what works best for your creative vision. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy creating!